Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
I'm Mridul Dohutia. I'm from Assam, the uppermost part of Assam that is called Niskia district. And I belong to a community that is called Moran community. I don't know all the brothers from the various parts of the northeast have heard about our tribe or not. I don't know. But just for a few seconds, I just want to tell about my tribe. And first of all, respected honorable speakers and all the newly formed nephews from and my brothers from various parts of the northeast region. Nowadays, if we study about all the indigenous tribes of northeast, we the Moran peoples are the most extinct tribes, I can say, because Morans, historian says that Morans are the oldest Mongolian in Assam. As you all know that in the year of 1228, when Sukafa came to Assam and formed the Greater Assam, that time he first met our tribe, Moran tribe, along with the Borahi tribe. The Borahi tribe is no more. But in the year of 1769, the Muamre rebellion was happening. In that rebellion, Moran leaders have fought against the rulers, the Ahom kingdom. We succeeded, but after due course of time, the Ahom rulers and along with the British army, they have massacred, they have murdered more than 6 lakhs Moran peoples. And after that, now we are only less than 2 lakhs people. The kingdom at that time was starting from the Safrai in Shivsagar district up to Dihing of Arunachal Pradesh right now. That is in Namsai district of Arunachal. And this kingdom, the maximum part of the natural resources belongs to this place right now. The oil, the coal, the tea gardens, and etc. etc. But the most sadful thing is that we are still not recognized as civil tribe or a recognized tribe in the Constitution of India. So therefore, I would like to request this forum, Northeast Forum for Indigenous Peoples, to work or to support to those tribes like us who are very extinct and still not recognized as the indigenous tribe of India as per Constitution of India. I would like to request all the brothers, especially the forum, to support us so that if we work on the, my brother from Assam, he told that for the political rights and all, but if the government of India decided that the political rights should be given to the indigenous people, that this they will do as per their listings in the scheduled tribes. I would like to request all the brothers and especially the forum to support us so that if we work on the my brother from Assam, he told that for the political rights and all, but if the government of India decided that the political rights should be given to the indigenous people, that this they will do as per their listings in the scheduled tribes, but will then also will be deprived. Therefore, I would like to request the forum to help us, to support us, to get improved our community, because this is not possible that to call the Mughals and give them the Taj Mahals, that you have constructed this at that time, then come and take this. It is not possible. But this is not possible to return back all the lands that was occupied by the British for plantation of tea gardens. It is not possible to bring back all the lands which were in my ancestors. But we are trying, we All Moran Students Union, and we have 6 organizations in our tribe. We are trying to get improved our community by educationally, by politically, by socially, and in every terms. But what will be the agenda from this forum? I would like to request all the members and all the respective shareholders to support us, to help us in getting to the level of the current status of all the tribes. Thank you so much. Thank you for the time, sir.